Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Discovery. First of all, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. We go over to the system, you can either press phone here or back to menu or click menu here, and you've got phone. Please connect phone. We'll click on that. Now it's saying I can connect to John's phone, that's already paired, but I want to pair a new one, so click search new. We want to go vehicle to device, and then I'm watching out at the bottom there. You'll see the little baseball thing spinning there, so it's trying to find something. That's trying to tell my phone that it's discoverable, and my phone is looking for something that's discoverable. Sometimes it takes a while, and it's come up already. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 9210 on handset. So 9210, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. I've got far too many things. My phone connected, far too many things connected. Jaguar Land Rover connected. That's it. That's how you do it.